Hey guys, so I'm starting a new series on my channel. It's going to be called Cooking with Your Girl. And I just want to start this series because I wanted to do practical, easy, cheap, keyword cheap, vegan meals on my channels. I am vegan. I stated that before on this channel. So anybody out there who is vegan, who wants easier recipes, very practical because you have a job and you're not at home all day type of recipes, then this is for you, boo. Okay. And so this video is going to be how I make a cashew ranch dressing. If you go to the store, even Walmart, Target, they have vegan dressings now. Sometimes I think by the brand Just Mayo has dressings now, but it has a lot of oil in it. If you want to stay away from oil, cashew dressing is a lot better. I don't like that much oil in my diet, so it's something that I run to. But yes, if you don't have time, then go get that ranch dressing from the store. But if you have like 10 minutes, then make this dressing. Okay. So we start with these roasted and salted cashew halves and pieces. Okay, so this is like $2 from Walmart. I'm not sure if they have it in other stores, but I'm pretty sure they have Walmart everywhere. I'm not sure in big cities. I'm from the country, so everybody in the country got Walmart, right? So these are $2 because they're roasted, right? If you go to, I think in Walmart too, they have raw cashews, but they're like $10 for this. Like this size would be like $10 compared to $2. Girl, if you don't get that $2 roasted cashews, don't worry about them raw cashews. If you don't have $10 to spend on raw cashews, girl, okay? So we're using this. They already come salted, which we're going to take a kettle. Just fill this up with some hot water, let that brew, and then we're just going to pour that over these. Right over the cashews, just right above, like that much. We are just gonna let this rest. Oh, my camera's getting foggy. Okay, that's better. We're gonna let this rest for, I would say, about 30 minutes, just until they get really soft, and I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, so now that our cashews have been soaking in the hot water, and you want to go ahead and rinse this with some cold water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So we went ahead and rinsed these, and they should look like this. We rinsed them just to get all of the oil or salt that's on there from roasting it. So go ahead and put this in a high-powered blender. Okay, we're also going to use some juice, some pickle juice. This gives it the ranch flavor, so if you have some pickle juice in your refrigerator, go ahead. And I like to eyeball stuff, so just kind of put it to your liking. I use about, I'm just going to use the rest of what's in here, and also some of the peppers and garlic and everything too. Okay. And then we're going to use a little agave just to give it a little bit of sweetness. Not much, but just a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to put some dill in there. So just put enough to where it looks good to you, nice and grassy. And then we're going to put some smoked paprika in there. So basically, I just like put some of my favorite spices in there where I think it would taste good. But garlic powder, not too much, because you can always use too much garlic powder, like where it's too garlicky. And then some onion powder. some lemon pepper, seasoning salt. So this is where your salt is going to come from, as well as the pickle juice. So not too much. Some cayenne, because I put cayenne in everything. So if you don't like cayenne, you could omit. And lastly, we're just going to put a little bit more water. About that much in there. And then all we're going to do is go ahead and put it on our blender now. Child, I forgot to put the thing on it. Lord have mercy. The blade is in there. Okay, now we're going to get blended. So about after like a minute blending, this is the result. If you guys can smell this, it smells so good. You smell all the spices. You smell all of the seasonings in there. It just smells really good, and it's really great for salads, for dipping vegetables in, wherever. No oil in it, just seasonings and some salt, and that is pretty much it. I'm going to show you guys me putting on a salad, because I'm about to eat a salad right now. So yeah, I'll keep this in the fridge while I go fix this salad real quick, and so it'll be even better nice and cold. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom in so you can see all of that creamy goodness. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, girl. All that all that creamy goodness right there. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to taste test. So I'll bring you guys up. Hey. Okay, so now I'm going to do a taste test. Okay. Let me get all of this in here. I did that one. I did that one right there. I did that one. It's really good. You gotta fix this. You gotta fix it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this new series. Watching me make yummy food. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hello. Let me get on the button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And go ahead and stomp on that like button. I'm about to pop me a sparkling water with this, girl. Have a good lunch. Go ahead and follow me on my social media. Put me some comments. And tell me to stop smacking if I'm smacking. And I will see you guys in the next video.